To create a Bitget exchange account in Nigeria, start by going to the Bitget website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be required to provide a valid email address and create a strong password for your account. Ensure the email address is active as you will need it for verification purposes. Next, fill out the registration form with your personal details, including your name, country of residence, and phone number. Nigerian residents should select Nigeria as their country of residence. After submitting the registration form, you will receive a verification email from Bitget. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. You may also be required to verify your phone number by entering a code sent to you via SMS. Once your account is verified, you will need to complete the Know Your Customer process, which involves providing identification documents such as a national ID card, driver's license, or international passport. This is a mandatory step to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. After completing the Know Your Customer process, you can proceed to fund your account using a variety of payment methods, including bank transfer, credit card, or cryptocurrency. Nigerian users can use the Naira to fund their accounts. To ensure the security of your account, enable two-factor authentication, which requires you to enter a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password when logging in. You should also use a strong password and keep it confidential to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Finally, familiarize yourself with the Bitget platform by exploring the various features and tools available, including the trading interface, wallet, and settings. You can also contact the Bitget support team if you have any questions or need assistance with your account. By following these steps, you can create a Bitget exchange account in Nigeria and start trading cryptocurrencies securely and efficiently. Remember to always follow best practices to protect your account and ensure a safe trading experience.